Hi everyone, Alexis here with the Park Group, and we are back for another walkthrough Wednesday. And today I am with Amarah with David Weekley Homes. So Amarah, please tell us where we are at today.
So hello everyone. Today we are in Reflections at Seabrook, and I'm thrilled to show you our Mary Virginia plan located at 136 Reflections Avenue. So Carling's going to open the door here, and we're going to take a peek inside this gorgeous floor plan. Now, our Mary Virginia boasts just over 2,000 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a dedicated flex space that would be fantastic as an office that we'll see a little bit later in the video. Now, you're going to see in just a minute how this plan feels as you enter. So although it's just over 2,000 square feet, this is a 50-foot floor plan. Wow. So it feels wide and spacious. This entryway in particular is very spacious.
Absolutely.
And the tall ceilings and doorways really help with that as well.
Yeah, we've never shown this floor plan, correct?
No, this is
a special, unique, one of a kind.
Yes, this one is one of a kind. It's my one and only Mary Virginia in Reflections. So this will be the only opportunity, as we don't have any more we can build. So right now you're seeing the gorgeous gourmet kitchen layout that's open to the family dining. So it's like a great room area.
Yeah, it feels so large. Love the stacked cabinets. I love all the warmth in here. This island is so unique.
Yes, as you can see, this kitchen actually has several unique features. We've got the sink that's actually in the countertop, which frees up this island space if you like to entertain, or if you're like me and you like to do work at your island, or the kids want to do homework. You've got, of course, the upgraded gourmet appliances, and you even have a window.
I love that. Brings in so much natural light.
Lots of natural light.
There's a deep pantry here that I just want to show off.
So you have kind of an upgraded size pantry here. So it's not quite a walk-in, but it's definitely more than the average.
And to the right over here, you also have a little backpack hook and a little drop zone as soon as you come in from the garage.
Yeah, so this is your area as you come in, kind of doubles as sort of a mud room.
Love that.
And you'll see the David Weekley signature backpack rack for you to utilize for your shoes and your purses and your jackets.
Perfect for back to school.
That's right. And as we lead into this area, we have the additional room here, which is the private home office. I'm calling it an office because it has French doors, but really you can utilize the space how you please. If you want it to be a man cave or a children's play space, you could really utilize it how you see fit. And those doors give it that element of privacy if you need that. And again, you've got those windows there for lots of natural light.
I pointed out earlier, they open, which is really special. I feel like you don't normally see that, but
that's right.
So
on a gorgeous day like today, you can open those windows and feel the breeze. And then you'll see right off the kitchen, we have the utility room. I feel that this is a very functional location for this area. If you're anything like me and you're cooking dinner and you're doing laundry and you're multitasking, it's great. And it's also not close to your owner's retreat, so you won't hear it as well when you're doing the laundry.
Close, but far enough away to have some separation.
Best of both worlds.
I love these big sliders opening up to this gorgeous lot that this home sits on.
So we upgraded this back here with all sliders off the dining and the family room. And as you can see, it just leads out into this gorgeous water view. This is my final remaining water view home site in Reflections.
Wow.
Yes.
You better get it while it's hot then.
That's right. So if you can imagine you're in your living room or you're in your kitchen, this is the view that you're seeing every day. It's very tranquil, very peaceful, and I think it's worthy to take a look outside as well. You'll see some features here. Not only do you have a backyard big enough for a future pool or fire pit or however you'd like to design your backyard, you also have some important features here like TV prep and gas stub if you wanted to do some fun stuff with your lanai area.
And a very extended, large lanai area.
Yes, it's both deep and long, so you could fit furniture, table out here. You could even do maybe an outdoor kitchen if you wanted to.
Oh yeah, and we are so close to all of the amenities here in Nocatee. Of course, you'd have access to that as a resident. Seabrook Park probably being the closest. But there's so many different amenities, the greenway trails that you can travel to get to your groceries or your other amenities, and then of course all the water parks as well.
Yes, this home is in a fantastic location. We're not too deep into the Reflections community, but we're super close to the Greenway Trail, which makes traveling throughout Nocatee very convenient. Now, as you see, we're at the back of the home and we are in the owner's retreat. So that same view you're getting from your lanai, you're getting when you wake up in the morning.
All the natural light, perfect for coffee, wine in the evening. I love it.
That's right. You can just pull your curtains back and have a fantastic view, which not everybody gets to say. So that's wonderful. And then you have these unique French style doors that lead into the owner's bath. Creates a little bit of an ambiance or essence there. And you've got some different details, a nice contrasting palette with the light shower and the darker floors. Very rich, very warm and inviting.
Love the rain shower.
Yep, you'll see that as well.
That's a great upgrade.
Some luxury upgrades. And now this home, we've opted not to put the mirrors so that you could add your own, but should you want to put the mirrors, that's something that we could definitely do for you.
Great.
And then as you'll see with most David Weekley homes, we put our closets in the back of the closet. Again, another unique feature, if you're getting dressed in the morning, makes it a little bit more convenient. And also frees up space in your owner's retreat.
It's perfect. I love the separation of the floors too. It gives it some different dimension. I love that it's different in the closet area.
It does, it makes it unique.
Oh, walking out to this space just feels so large, so warm. It feels so much bigger than what you can probably see on camera too, which is crazy.
Yep, this is definitely a special one. Like I said, it's a one of a kind. It's our last Mary Virginia plan. Not to mention we have some pretty extra special incentives. So please don't hesitate to come out to our model home at 20 Recollection Drive. Come see me and ask about our current incentives on not only this home, but others that we have.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Amarah. If you are interested in this home, as she has said, this is their last water lot, really. So you definitely want to come out and see her and speak with her and see this beautiful home. It won't last long. But we hope you're having a great day, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.